So can you shoot professional photos with a kit lens? 100%. So what is a kit lens? Kit lens is a lens that come with your camera straight out the box. They call it a kit lens. If you're just getting into photography and you got a kit lens and you feel intimidated, I'm here to tell you, you still can do paid gigs. You still can take professional photos with the kit lens. It's more than just the lens. There's composition, there's lighting, there's subject. So if you just get into photography, please do not focus on just the gear. But will you have challenges with the kit lens? 100%. One big challenge with kit lens is your aperture. You're going to be starting out with a 3.5 to a 5.6 aperture if you're using a kit lens. And what that means is you will have to raise your ISO or drop your shutter speed in low light situations. That's the only difference. Maybe you might not get the bokeh that you want with a kit lens, but there's different ways that you can go around getting that bokeh. All you have to do is put your subjects far from the background, shoot them with a 3.5, and you will get some bokeh. Nothing like a 1.8, nothing like a 1.4, but if you're just getting started, you can get the job done with a kit lens. You still could take amazing photos. Don't let a kit lens stop you from going out there and taking pictures. Because you still could do paid gigs, you still could get amazing photos with a kit lens. My job is to motivate you, get you out there taking pictures. Stop watching YouTube videos, been watching YouTube videos, turn my video off right now and go out there and take some pictures. We're out here hustling.